Good morning, students. Welcome to our part 2 video, lesson number 3, Ancient Towns and Scriptures. Now let's go ahead our next topic, religious life and funeral. We get information regarding religious life of Harappan civilization from the idols and postures. मूर्तियाँ हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन जो मिली है उससे हमें उनका धार्मिक जीवन कैसा था, हाउ वॉज देयर religious life, we get information about that. Among the idols, excepted the idol of मात्रका देवी has been found. वहाँ से एक देवी की मूर्ति मिली, मात्रका देवी की, उससे पता चलता है हमें. Historian considered is the symbol of Mother Earth. Historian considered as the Mother of Earth. It means people of Harappan civilization must have been worshipping Mother Earth, especially as give grains, food and water. Besides this, they might have been worshipping trees, animals, Nag Devta, Swastik, etc. How they can consider? Because they have been found from certain places. Idols and posture of animals, Nag Devta, Swastik, symbol of Swastik. Remains of worshipping fire have been found from Lothal and Kalibangan. लोथल से और कालीबंगन से अग्नि की पूजा होती थी, ये भी मिला है. पीपल ऑफ हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन माइट हैव बीन बर्निंग डेड पीपल. ऑल्सो एविडेंसेस ऑफ अग्नि संस्कार हैव बीन फाउंड एट मैनी प्लेसेस. दे बरीड डेड पर्सन एंड ऑल्सो केप्ट सम ऑफ द थिंग्स विद द डेड बॉडी. वो लोग अग्नि संस्कार करते थे और जो डेड बॉडी को दफनाया जाता था, वो दफनाने के साथ डेड बॉडी के पास में कुछ चीजें रखी जाती थी. सम थिंग्स आर कीप्ड विद द डेड बॉडीज. तो इट हैज बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम दैट सर्टेन प्लेसेस ऑफ हरप्पन civilization. It tells us about their imagination that there is life after death. Now let's see script and languages. Which language they were used? Coins, seals, copper plates have been found from remains of Harappan civilizations, on which some text transcribed, which is written in some unresolved mysterious language. Although these writing are short words with matters and joined words are found. A lot of attempts have been made to decipher this script, but it has not been successful yet. How language it look like? Let's see in this picture. Here you can see the copper plate, which is engraved some writing on the copper plate, which is not readable. Why? Because we don't know the language of the Harappan civilizations. Some historian and archaeologist many times tries, but they were not succeeded to resolve this language, short of this language. Also you can see this picture. Above the picture is language, is not readable because we don't know the symbol of this language. Places of Harappan civilization in Gujarat. We have already discussed in part 1 video which places were found in Gujarat. Small and big colonies of Harappan civilization have been found in Gujarat like Rangpur and Lothal in Ahmedabad district, Rojdi, Srinathgarh in Rajkot district, Desalpur in Kutch district, Dholavira, Surkotada, Lakhabawal situated in Jamnagar district, Amra, Bhaga Talab on the bank of Kim river, near in Bharuch district. Now the end of the Harappan civilization. Some archaeologists and historians, according to the found of some toys and culture of and civilizations of that time, they believed that which are the sources available from there. The historian believed that Harappan civilizations may have been ended because of earthquake, flood, epidemic, or external invention. However, for today's historians, the end of it has been the subject of the research. यानी कि कोई सर्टेनिटी नहीं है कि हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का अंत कैसे हुआ था. It is very uncertain. Some historians believe that it ended just because of earthquake, flood, epidemic, or external inventions. Our Asian texts, Rig Veda and its study. Especially in Hindu religion, there are four Vedas, which are four Vedas are there. First Rig Veda, second Yajurved, third Samved, and Atharva Veda. Fourth one is Rig Veda is considered as the oldest text in Hindu religion. It includes 1028 hymns, which are called suktas. Rigveda is a repository of ancient knowledge. It is written in Old Sanskrit or Vedic Sanskrit language. With the help of the Rigveda, we get information about political, social, economic, and religious life of Aryans. Historians, archaeologists study Vedas along with relics to know about the history. Some of the hymns of Rigvedas are in dialogue form. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट और हिस्टोरियन को अगर कुछ खोज करनी है, हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानना है, तो दे कंसिडर अ सोर्स एज अ ऋग्वेदा. There are references of life of common man in Rigveda. There are references of political institutions like Gan, Sabha, and Samiti. Suppose to ask in your exam, which are three institutions discussed in the Rigveda? The three are Gan, Sabha, and Samiti. According to these three institutions, the state administration go ahead. Sabha was a smaller institution as compared to Samiti. Head of the state sat it and discussed important issues of the state and gave justice. That is the work of Samiti. The Samiti was elaborate body that elected the king. Samiti was decided how to elect the king. Army chief and priest were appointed to assist the king. One of the work of the king was Keshwana. Keshwana means war. From Rigveda, we get a reference of battle between 10 kings on the bank of Ravi river. Rigveda provide us information about social life of Aryans. One of the unit of the society was family. आर्यंस की बारे में जो सामाजिक लाइफ है वो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें ऋग्वेद से मिलती है. ऋग्वेद में फैमिली सोसाइटी समाज का जो यूनिट माना जाता है वो फैमिली यानी कि कुटुंब है. एंड फैमिली सिस्टम वाज partial and it was also joint family system. Society was not divided into caste and races. In recent time, our society divided into the caste. At that time, that was not system was there. So all were equal in the society. There was no discrimination of high and low status. Women had high status in society. Feminism was there and women were considered as co-worker and their presence in yagna was essential. यानी कि यज्ञ जब होता था तो उनको महिलाओं को भी जरूरी माना जाता था. दे कुड ऑल्सो स्टडी, वो पढ़ भी सकती थी. अमॉन्ग दैम, उनमें से कई साथियों का नाम यहाँ पे दिया गया है: अल्पा, लोपामुद्रा, गोसा, एक्सेट्रा. क्रिएटेड ऋचास ऑफ ऋग्वेदा, जिसने ऋग्वेद की रचना की है, ऋचाओं की रचना की है इन लोगों ने. गर्ल्स गॉट मैरिड ओनली व्हेन दे वेर एडल्ट्स. आज के ज़माने में कई देखा जाता है कि छोटी लड़कियों को शादी कर देते हैं. उस टाइम पे गर्ल्स जब एडल्ट होती थी तभी उनकी शादी होती थी. Mention of worship of nature is found in Rigveda. Worship of Indra, Varun, Agni, Surya, etc. is mentioned in Rigveda. There is mention of Usha as the goddess of morning and Aditi as the goddess of evening. Cows, horses, and bulls have been discussed at many places in Rigveda. As compared to the other animals, horses have been mentioned more times. यानी कि घोड़ों को कई बार उल्लेख किया गया है घोड़ों का, which indicates importance of pastoralism in their lives. It was common among the all tribes to fight for animal. Property was mainly decided on the basis of number of the cattle. Animal husbandry was also done collectively and agriculture was secondary in early stage of the Rigvedic age. Now one more learn this. Here the suktas means well spoken. Sukta, it means the hymns, 1028 hymns. Hymns is called Sukta in Rigveda. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.